Okay, those are missing panels from our newish Tesla roof. You can see where they reconnect there. So those are aluminum. The very top is aluminum. And we see them from about what? Here? Where is here? Trying with my finger. There's my finger. Over here. Here. So, and I think there's a couple on the other side. We just bought this dual motor rocket ship for old people. This is black walnut. And this, here's a water bottle. This isn't the good piece. This is a good piece, but not the really good. How about that? So I've got half a dozen black walnuts to cut up. I just love this stuff, even as a kid. I bought a mill, 22-inch wood mill. Okay, let's see. Yeah, these things are just so fast off the line. So, we're just getting the house redone with this new board. When this happens, other than this event, and I'm sure Tesla will take care of it. It's been really nice. We never got an electric bill. We got 2 power walls, and it's great. So in the summertime, we can charge the car sometimes. Well, there's something definitely wrong up there. Okay, well, I just got to make a record of this. We're having the house not stucco, it's a cement board. Anyhow, we're remodeling. One more view. I'm sure Tesla will take care of us. We got a Tesla glass solar roof and a Tesla 3. Oh, cauliflower. Just picked them. Yeah, in January, what's today? The 8th, 9th? Those are black walnut. So we live in an old walnut orchard. And one day a light went on. That's next door. They're all black walnuts. Makes me very hungry. Yeah, those are all black walnuts. This one I'm taking down.